Thursdays, everyone, and happy Valentine's Day. Today's drink is
the Grapefruit Mimosa.
Yay! All right, first thing you need is grapefruit juice, some Prosecco, and some fruit. This?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Put a hole in yourself. Hoppa!
Put some pomegranates in the cups.
This is so easy, Jamie. Even you can do it. That's about right. And be looking lovingly into your partner's eyes when you do this. Oh, and garnish.
Oh, garnish.
It's not topped up as much as I think it should.
Oh,
be,
mine's
okay.
good though.
Cheers.
Hey. Oh, hi.
Very romantic.
Fruity. That's pretty good.
Pretty tasty, actually. I like that.